Are you in need of a highly aggressive general purpose blade? The Freud LU71 high production general purpose blade is a solution for you. Available in sizes of 14 and 16-inch blades. This blade allows you to operate at high rates of speed when speed is more important than surface quality when cross-cutting. The LU71 series is an aggressive general purpose blade with a full kerf and a high-density TiCo Carbide. It has an ATB tooth geometry that can be sharpened up to 12 times. This blade comes with Freud's laser cut anti-vibration technology and with a non-stick silver ice coating that resists pitch and heat buildup. The LU71 blade lasts up to 2 times longer than competitive saw blades in similar applications. This blade sets industry standards in performance for industrial users, as well as outlasting and outperforming all other blades in the industry. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.